Hey, how's it going? This is Eric Garcia giving you an update on phone stats for the release candidate. I'm going to go ahead and reset all this data here just so we can show that everything is starting from afresh. So everything in the database is completely wiped out. We are going to go ahead and reset the phone here as well. So that way we have no issues. We're starting from scratch. Everything is clear and we can just go through it from there. Okay, so getting the application running here on the device for the first launch. We'll go ahead and show the tutorial getting started as required. Let's double check, yes, it is still enabled. So we'll go back to the app. It gives a little blurb about the importance of creating an account. And then now that's out of the way, we can go ahead and get started. Obviously we have no users, so we're going to go ahead and sign up. We'll just go ahead and call this Eric. test@test.com. We'll go ahead and put in a password. This is a bug that's not coming up so far. So we put in that, we go ahead and sign up. As you can see, user is created. Here in Firebase, instantly we have the device ID, everything we have. And then as soon as you scroll over and it has all three tabs loaded up, it goes ahead and creates that device and saves it to the database as well. As you can see, we have weekly, lifetime, and daily stats with all of the applications within there. So that is fully authenticated there, and just jumping over here, we refresh the registered users. That test.test.com is showing up there. Another big feature that was added this week is dynamically getting the best color for whatever icon for the detail view. The color palette generated by Android analyzes the icon and gets the best background color for that for obviously the various different icons, as you can see there. Some of them don't generate it, like the Tumblr for some reason, and it just shows the default of the phone stat color. So that's that, showing the detailed usage for the day, week, lifetime of every application. These buttons are not fully functioning yet. Those are just the features that I wanted to kind of supplementally add. Being able to just go ahead and launch this application directly from here, getting an intent from the system and sending that out, as well as sending a share for the usage of a particular app if you wanted to share that. That is something that will be in the gold release. Let's see, jumping into the settings, we went and implemented user settings. At this point, we can change the email. If we are going to go ahead and put in a new email, let's just do new test@test.com, and you go ahead and confirm your current password that we made is ABC123, and that's obviously, you can cancel that if you wanted to, or go back in. Let's just do that again, new test@test.com. Putting in the password, because obviously you want to make sure not just anyone can change an email or username, since the application itself isn't like password protected. So you confirm that password, you click change, email successfully updated. If we go ahead and refresh this list here, bam, user has been updated to new test@test.com, as well as this was also updated, new test@test.com, the user was updated in Firebase. Another thing is, obviously you can't see the password anywhere in there or elsewhere, but if we go ahead and just reverse that and we put in the old password, put in a new password of 123ABC, so that's backwards. You confirm that, 123ABC. You can change that, and bam, password changed successfully. So now the user can change their email and password within there. They can log out here if they want, which let's just go ahead and do that. And now it was new test at test.com, and we did it backwards this time, 1, 2, 3, ABC, and we go ahead and log in. Bam, you logged in, you still got all your information, and that information updated from what was used there. So that is the application at this point. Let me double check. That should be where we are at now. So a few more implementations and a few more little bugs to fix for the release candidate to get this up and running 100%. With that, take care.